Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Nail Art channel. Today I am teaching you summer fruit nail art design step-by-step guide. Bring the best part of summer of your nails with these super cute fruit designs. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails, thumbnails with a light yellow nail polish. Paint one of each of the rest of your nails with medium yellow, red, light orange and pink nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and the yellow nail polish, place small dots on your red nails. These will be strawberries. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail polish, create the outline of a circle on your medium yellow nail and fill it in. This will be a slice of citrus fruit. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and light brown nail polish, draw a crisscross pattern on your thumbnails. These will be pineapples. Step number 5, using the same tool and a dark orange nail polish, create the outline of a circle on your light orange nail and fill it in. This will be orange wedge. Step number 6, using a nail art brush and a green nail polish, add a green French tip to your pink nails. These will be slices of watermelon. Step number 7, using the same tool and nail polish, draw a zigzag across the top of your red nails to make leaves for your strawberries. Step number 8, fill in the strawberries leaves with the green. Step number 9, using a nail art brush and a green nail polish, draw another zigzag across the top of your thumbnails to add leaves to your pineapples. Fill in the area with the greens. Step number 10, using the same tool and white nail polish, add lines inside the medium yellow and orange nails to create the wedges. Step number 11, using the same tool and nail polish, draw a line of white along the inner edge of the green tip. Step number 12, using a small dotting tool and black nail polish, add black seeds along the French tip. Step number 13, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.